Escamis against Tagle. Escamis will send it out. Igliane. Hesitate na doon si Igliane. Hobilla. Oh, drops in the triple. Up and over, Yukian Andrada. Ito si Jomel Puno. Shot clock winding down again. Jomel. Hounded. Through to shoot. Scoop. No hoop for Puno. And here comes Chris Hobilla. They have the numbers. Hobilla will take off. And will go all the way. Been the difference. Igliane nailing it from the corner. Chris Hobilla very high to stop in the open floor.
Yung mga offensive rebounds na yan, napakalaking bagay niyan kasi nabibigyan sila ng extra possession para ma-reset kung ano man yung gusto nilang i-run.
Hobilla na abuelo. Chris Hobilla puts it up and in. And he's been the story for Mapua today. Hobilla now with 11 points. And that breaks the long dry spell of the Mapua Cardinals.
Si Hobilla para siyang pinaghalong Giannis Antetokounmpo at saka Anthony Edwards, no?
Grabe.
Diba? Meron siyang galawan ni Anthony Edwards, pero pag nakabuelo na siya, Antetokounmpo na siya
Ito, got the gather, challenging the defense of the center. Gets it to Escamis, Clint. San Beda, 16-2 run. In over 7 minutes now. Aaron Fermin. It's the back iron. Recto.
Ayan na
towering
naman.
for the board.
Ayan na naman ang Mapua sa kanilang offensive rebound.
Chris Hobilla relentlessly attacking for Mapua. 13 points now for the rookie.
Sinusulit ni Chris Hobilla yung bawat possession na nakukuha nila.
Oh, that's a foul on Jacob Bancale. Bumping into Eman Tagle on the shot. Meantime, Hobilla still on attack mode for the Cardinals.
Parang hindi ko pa nakita si Hobilla na lumeyap na, alam mo yun? Hindi pa tapos yung first half.
Yeah, that's true. Etong si Chris Hobilla, 5 out of 6 from the field. The rest of the team.
And an offensive rebound from Mapua.
Oh, Hobilla! They couldn't just convert. Here's the tap from behind. Uban gets it back. Hobilla carving space. Chris Hobilla now with 17 in the first half.